Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. I've done a lot of digging into the Dell Inspiron 16 touchscreen business laptop, Intel Core 7 150U, up to 5.4 GHz, 16 inches WUXGA FHD plus display, 64 GB DDR5, 2 TB SSD, Copilot, Backlit keyboard, Fingerprint reader, Windows 11 Pro, accessories so you can decide if it really delivers what it claims. I checked out official specs, retailer listings, user reviews, and comparisons to similar models. Here's what the specs say. This Inspiron 16 model uses the Intel Core 7150U, 10 cores, 2 performance plus 8 efficiency cores, that can turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz. It has a 16-inch WUXGA 1920x1200 FHD plus touchscreen with anti-glare and comfort view plus to reduce eye strain. It's paired with a large 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, which gives lots of breathing room for multitasking, large files, and business productivity. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth latest, ~5, X, USB-C, HDMI, plus a fingerprint reader and backlit keyboard. It comes with Windows 11 Pro and some accessories, likely charger, maybe bag or dongles depending on seller. On build, display, and design, users report the Inspiron 16 is solidly built for a mid-high tier business laptop. The casing feels sturdy, the hinge is stable, the keyboard has good key travel, the touchpad is responsive. The touchscreen adds flexibility, especially for presentations, note-taking, or design work. The WUXGA display with 16:10 ratio gives more vertical space than standard 16:9, which is appreciated for documents or web content. The inclusion of Copilot key is nice for those using Microsoft's Assistant and workflow features. Performance in everyday and business use looks strong. With 64 GB RAM, the machine handles many browser tabs, office applications, multitasking, virtual machines etc., smoothly. The 2 TB SSD stores a lot of data and helps with fast boot up and app launches. The CPU's turbo speed, 5.4 GHz, helps for burst tasks, compiling, responsiveness. Accessories included, charger, possibly cable adapters, help avoid extra upfront costs. Connectivity and features are good. Wi-Fi 6E gives better wireless bandwidth and lower latency, Bluetooth handles peripherals. USB-C likely supports DisplayPort and/or power delivery depending on variant. HDMI lets you hook an external display. Fingerprint reader adds security and fast login. Backlit keyboard helps in low-light. Accessories bundled reduce need to buy extras. Now the limitations and what to watch out for. First, despite powerful CPU and large RAM, graphics are likely integrated, Iris-Z, unless a discrete GPU version is specified, so it won't be great for heavy gaming or GPU-intensive work, 3D rendering, video editing at high resolution. Second, display brightness may be moderate, in bright ambient light or outdoors glare might reduce visibility. Third, battery life under heavy load may suffer because a high-performance 150U chip, 64 GB RAM and big SSD draw more power. Fourth, weight and portability. With high capacity and accessories, it probably is heavier and bulkier compared to lighter ultrabooks. Fifth, thermals. Sustained workload may push fans louder and lead to throttling in some scenarios. Sixth, cost. This configuration is premium. If priced too high, it competes with business laptops with discrete graphics or better display panels. Seventh, service and support might vary depending on region. Accessories included may differ, so check what's in the box carefully. So, is this laptop worth buying? Yes, I believe it is worth buying if you are a business professional, power user, or student who needs strong CPU performance, lots of RAM, large storage, and you value a good screen with touchscreen plus accessories. If your tasks are heavy multitasking, running virtual machines, data work, office suites, and you move around but not ultra light, this configuration gives you a lot of capability. But if instead your primary concern is gaming, or color-critical media work, or needing long battery life on the go, then some trade-offs will matter. Overall, for the specs and what it offers, this Dell Inspiron 16 seems like a smart pick for business, home power users. Click the link below for the best price.